You won't believe how this bird dances just to win a mate. This is the Victoria's Riflebird, a bird of paradise from the rainforests of eastern Australia. The male's feathers shine in metallic shades of blue and green, absolutely stunning, but it's not just the colours that make him special, it's his incredible courtship dance. During mating season, he spreads his wings like a black cape and starts to sway left and right, moving rhythmically to impress the female. Every movement is precise, almost like a magician casting a spell. If the female likes it, she moves closer, but if not, he'll have to dance again and again. Graceful, elegant, and full of charm, the Riflebird proves that even in nature, love takes effort.